guys, welcome back to our vegan kitchen. I've got a very timely recipe for you today for barbecue sauce.
Oh yeah!
So many times I go to the supermarket with my husband and I pick up a bottle of barbecue sauce and he's like, turn it around. And I read the ingredients and it's got high fructose corn syrup, or it's got some weird kind of oil in it, or it's got 1,000,000 grams of sugar. So he's like, put it back. We're not getting that. Or it's got honey in it. That's a no-no for a vegan. So I'm going to make a semi-healthy barbecue sauce today that's vegan, that is going to be sweet and amazing. Let's begin. It's very, very simple. You just dump everything in the pan, heat it up a little bit, put it in your container, and it lasts in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 months. Alright, so the base of this sauce is 1 can of tomato paste that I've already scraped out of the can, you know, a little 6-ounce one. And then we have our dry ingredients over there. That's not dirty. I just dripped the liquid aminos on there. So this is going to be healthier because this is the granulated monk fruit sweetener. So it's got 0 calories, 0 glycemic index. It's healthier than any kind of sugar, I think. We've also got some chili powder, some paprika, some allspice, some granulated garlic, and some granulated onion. So all of these are going in. Then for the liquid ingredients, we've got liquid aminos. We've got apple cider vinegar. That's what's going to make it tangy. We're going to put in some liquid smoke. This is in the barbecue sauce section of the supermarket in case you need to find it. I had trouble finding it. I had to have them show me where it was. Just going to put in a little bit of this because it's going to give it that smoky barbecue flavor. We're also going to put in some blackstrap molasses. This is going to give it sweetness, but it's also going to give it some nutrition. If you're low in iron, this blackstrap molasses is good for you. It's got a lot of minerals in there too. And just some water to thin it out. All of the ingredients and their measurements are going to be in the bottom info box, so it's all there just waiting for you. So we're going to go over to the stove. We're just going to put it on low-ish. Start stirring it up. It shouldn't take long at all. Probably just about 5 minutes tops, and we'll be having barbecue sauce.
Yes.
Alright, you can see it's like almost completely combined now. You really need to heat it up so that the sugar and everything melt into the other ingredients and everything really becomes homogeneous.
Oh, and it smells so good.
Why, thank you. We're just going to let it cook for another minute or 2, and then I'm going to turn the flame off and let it cool off, and I'll put it in its storage container. Hi, Millennial Dorothy. I see you're having some beautiful air fryer chicken nuggets.
I'm so excited for this. I love barbecue sauce.
I know you do.
That is so good.
If you like it spicy, you could put spicy stuff in there, but we tend to like not spicy sauces.
This is perfect.
Awesome.
Don't change a thing.
Awesome. I'm so glad you're enjoying it.
I could drink it.
Don't do that.
Why not?
Because that would be bad, like texting Thanos.
Okay.
Alright guys, there you have it. The easiest, healthiest dish barbecue sauce that's vegan. I hope you give it a try. It's super simple. I appreciate you guys watching and subscribing and liking the video even. So until next time, much love.